What if I told you a $35 air cooler just outperformed a $100 liquid system? Dramatic pause, and the number 3 pick here, well, some PC builders are getting banned from forums for recommending it. Pause, but before we reveal these secret budget killers, smash like, and let's cool things down. Number 1. Noctua NH-D15. Built on the basis of the legendary NH-D14 and carrying on its quest for ultimate quiet cooling performance, Noctua's flagship model NH-D15 is an elite-class dual-tower cooler for the highest demands. Its expanded heat pipe layout and 2 premium-grade NFA15 140mm fans with PWM support for automatic speed control allow it to further improve the NH-D14's award-winning efficiency. Topped off with the trusted, pro-grade SECU Firm 2 multi-socket mounting system and Noctua's proven NTH1 thermal compound, the NH-D15 forms a complete premium quality solution that represents a deluxe choice for overclockers and silent enthusiasts alike. Number 2. Thermalright Peerless Assassin. It has a certain popularity in the domestic and foreign markets and has a pivotal influence in the player market. We have been focusing on the research and development of computer accessories. CPU air-cooled radiator, case fan, thermal silicone pad, thermal silicone grease, CPU fan controller, anti-falling-off mounting bracket, support mounting bracket and other commodities. Product specification: cooler dimensions, L125mm x W135mm x H157mm, 4.92 by 5.31 by 6.18 inch, heat sink material, aluminum fin on copper bottom. CPU cooler is equipped with metal fasteners of Intel and AMD platform to achieve better installation. PWM fan specification model, TLC12CS fan, standard size PWM fan, 120x120x25mm, 4.7 by 4.7 by 0.98 inches, fan speed, RPM 1550 RPM plus or minus 10%, power port, 4-pin, airflow, 66.17 CFM, max, noise level less than or equal to 25.6 dB, AGHP technique 6x6mm heat pipe supply. AGHP technique, solve the inverse gravity effect caused by vertical/horizontal orientation, 6 pure copper sintered heat pipes and PWM fan and pure copper base and full electroplating reflow welding process. When CPU cooler works, match with ultra-silent airflow fans, aim to extreme CPU cooling performance. Number 3. Thermaltake TH420 ARGB. From the all-new TH-V2 ARGB series, the TH420V2 ARGB has a new industrial cap with an infinity mirror light design, bringing a new vibe to the TH series. Adding infinity mirror lighting to this series can bring more diverse visual effects to the build and gives more depth than it looks. Equipped with 3 enhanced fan speed CT140 ARGB fans, you can match them up with some of our chassis pre-installed fans and unify your fans with your build. TH420V2 ARGB has a 27mm slim radiator with a thickened 20mm copper chamber, guaranteeing excellent cooling performance. It is suitable for medium to large chassis that can fit 420mm AIOs and for those who seek to control AIO lighting effects through 5V motherboard-controlled software. P/N, CLW376PL14SWA. Number 4. Cooler Master MasterLiquid 360L. Clean classic design, a clean and minimalist design offers a modern facelift to the pump, while enhancing the lighting dispersion of the ARGB. For fully customizable illumination. Gen S dual chamber pump, an improved copper base designed to target heat spots with greater precision, while also increasing water flow and pressure for enhanced cooling performance. CryoFuse thermal paste. Now included premium CryoFuse thermal paste, which offers exceptional thermal conductivity of 14W/mK, as well as non-corrosive and oxidation-resistant properties for temperature stability ranging from -50 degrees Celsius up to 250 degrees Celsius. Optimized fan blades. Our optimized PWM curved blade design improves airflow and air pressure, while the enhanced frame reduces turbulent flow for a quieter and more efficient cooling performance. Frosted blade design. our frosted blade design has been refreshed to enhance the dispersion of ARGB lighting, resulting in a more vibrant and luminescent effect that is fully customizable. Number 5. NZXT Kraken 240. Personalization that pops. Display a favorite animated GIF or static image, monitor real-time PC performance metrics, see music that's currently playing, integrate web content and more with NZXT CAM software. LCD display, 1.54-inch square LCD display with 240 by 240 resolution, 30 Hz refresh rate, and bright 300 candelas per square meter backlight brings on-screen content to life. High-performance pump. The powerful Acetec pump operates at up to 2,800 RPM to ensure efficient and quiet coolant circulation. Powerful cooling. Static pressure fans with fluid dynamic bearings provide an optimal balance of high static pressure and airflow for powerful cooling with minimal noise. Simple setup. A single breakout cable from pump to motherboard makes for easy installation. So, which cooler shocked you the most? Pause. All purchase links are waiting below. Down arrow, but before you exit, if you enjoyed this, hammer that subscribe button because next week, we're exposing the dirty lies about silent coolers, and your ears will thank you.